All right, so you want to learn how to echo your voice in Premiere Pro. So you have a clip or you have an audio and you want to echo that audio in the background or something on the clip, right? So what I'm going to do is we have our video clip here, but this video has a lot of music in the background. So if you play it, it has like Kanye power and it doesn't really, stronger, and it doesn't really make much sense. So I have this audio clip here I'm going to drag down below. I'm going to cut this clip here just so it matches my audio length. And you know what? We're going to cut this audio waveform too, just up to the point where I start talking and when I end talking. And we can see that because the audio waves get down really low and go up high, go down back to low. So I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to delete this one. We're going to drag this to the beginning. We're going to cut this clip again. We're going to delete the back part. And then I'm just going to select these clips here and I'm going to unlink it. If you guys want to learn how to unlink an audio, I can show you how to do that. It's going to pop up in the top right corner. I'm going to control, click, I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to unlink it, delete the audio, and I'm going to replace that old audio that was music with this audio of me saying some nonsense. I'm going to highlight both of these clips together, control, and then click it. I'm going to link it back. If you don't have a Mac and I'm keep saying control, for you it's just a right click, okay? So now if you hear it back,
boom, shakalaka, boy, boom.
I'm saying boom, shakalaka boy, boom, all right? And we want that to echo. So what I'm going to do for you guys is show you how to echo real quick. We're gonna go to the effects panel, which is next to your project panel. So not the effects control, where you can manipulate keyframes, but the effects panel where you can drag effects onto your clips. So we go to effects, we're gonna type in convolution reverb. That's what we're looking for you. So you can just type in con, and if you scroll down, you should see convolution reverb underneath reverb. You're gonna drag that onto your audio clip, not your image clip, because it's not gonna affect images, it affects audio. We're gonna drag it onto the audio clip, drop it there. And when we select this clip and we go to the effects control panel and we scroll down, we can see the audio and we have convolution reverb right here. But we don't have to play with that at all. We can actually just play it. And there you go, you have it echoing right there. But say that echo doesn't sound too good for you and you want like a different kind of echo, right? You can actually affect the echoes. And it's really, really simple. You don't have to do too much playing with any, keys and all that. But just go to custom setup here in the effects control panel. Click on edit. You go to presets at the top where it says default. You click on that. And I normally like using a bitter hallway because it sounds a little bit better. So we click on bitter hallway. And if you play it back, it sounds just a tad bit different.
Boom, shakalaka, boy, boom.
And then that's how you mess with that. So there's how you do it. That's how you affect your echo. I'm gonna show you guys in another video how to play with your audio. So you can raise it high, raise it low, stuff like that. But that's how you make your voice echo in Premiere Pro. I hope this helps. If you have any comments or you weren't really picking up a certain part of the video or you just need some help, you can DM me on Instagram or comment down below. But other than that, like, comment, share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.